What's up? Jay from Aria here, the Western meditation teacher, and today you're going to find out why people often call me a real-life Jedi. In today's meditation, I'm going to share with you how to become healthier, stronger, and achieve the body of your dreams much faster using the Force or the energy of the light. Now, the Force is a permeating, underlying power or energy that flows through the entire existence, including ourselves. And one of the general and the most fundamental rules of the universe is that energy always follows thought. So this is exactly what we're going to discover and what we're going to use for our purposes today. The reason why this meditation works so well is because our bodies follow an energy blueprint created and stored in our minds. And through this exercise, we can start changing that blueprint to what we want it to be and eradicate certain pains and aches in our body and help our muscles grow stronger and grow faster. So one word of caution, this meditation is actually very powerful. So make sure that while practicing it, you are not going to get disturbed or startled. Find a quiet place where it's safe to practice and to relax. And by the way, the reason why I call it a Jedi meditation is because I learned it from a Jedi. The best time to practice this meditation is just before you're going to sleep. However, if you discover that you find it difficult to sleep afterwards, some people get too energized by meditation. If you discover that, then start practicing it first thing in the morning instead. And you will see the results very quickly. Some people, they see them in a matter of days or weeks. So let's begin. First, start with the full body relaxation technique as your preparation routine. This is the best way to start your meditation and to make sure that it's really powerful. So if you don't know how to do it, pause this video now, go and check my other video about full body relaxation technique, which explains it step by step, and then come back and rejoin us again. Now lie flat on your bed with your body completely relaxed and bring your attention to your breathing. You don't need to do anything in particular, simply observe your breathing, entering and then leaving your body in a calm and relaxed manner. Now see if you can make that breathing a little bit slower and just a little bit deeper without straining yourself. Imagine that the entire universe around you is an infinite ocean of golden energy, stretching in all directions. This energy is the underlying power of the entire existence. It surrounds you and it flows through you as well. Now allow your body to start slowly melting into that power and into that light, beginning from your feet. Feel pleasantly calm, safe and relaxed as the energy is moving higher and higher up your body. If you have any areas where you feel pain or any areas that you find difficult to dissolve, simply focus on your breathing and exhale, focusing on those areas as though you were exhaling through them. And as you exhale, imagine that area turning into golden shimmer and disappearing, merging into the Force. Slowly work your way up your body, including your torso, hands and shoulders. Until you come up to your head. Now, turn your attention within your head and imagine there is a ball of brilliant crystal light, or a crystal shining with incredible radiance in the middle of your head. This is the light of your true awareness, your essence as a living being. Imagine this crystal, or that ball of light, coming from on top of your head and remaining slightly above. Now allow your head to merge with the Force, or the light as well. Feel completely united with the Force, flowing with it, being recharged and restored by it, while the light of your awareness remains brilliant and intact. And now, start recreating your body again, starting from the top of your head. Only this time, create the body that you always wanted. See yourself healthy, strong, and in the best shape of your life. Imagine this ideal body blueprint emerging like a golden model from the Force and gradually turning into real flesh. See yourself having the body of your dreams, completely healthy and strong. And allow yourself to feel what you would feel if that body was already your everyday reality. Then simply allow yourself to drift off to sleep in that state. This is the most powerful version of this exercise. If you choose to do it in the morning instead, when you finish, start bringing your attention to your breathing again. With every breath, becoming more and more aware and awake. Allowing your breathing to carry you back into this time and this space. And when you're ready to return, wiggle your toes and your fingers and finish with a stretch to realign yourself fully. Now you're prepared for a fantastic day ahead. I hope you enjoyed this meditation. It's one of the most powerful techniques that the Jedi use to keep their body strong and healthy. So if you have any questions, drop me a message below. I always here for you, and I would like to hear about your results and your discoveries as you're doing this. I'm a researcher, so every little bit of data helps. This was Jay from Aria. Subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell to make sure that you never miss a new video from me. And see you next time.